This little video where we stayed this week. This is the living room. Noah and Mason slept over there. And here's our deck. Oh, Jackson! It's a nice sized deck. We stay out here a lot. There's the Gaylord Palms over there. The place is huge. And so is the place we're at. There's tons of buildings and lots and lots of pools. We didn't even go visit that one over there. That is our bedroom, which I'll come show you. Come on, Jackson. Here's our bedroom. And the boys loved this jetted tub. They were in there a lot. And then we also had this really big walk-in shower. Big sink. And a really large kitchen. We cook dinner here most nights. And that's it. We were up on the 10th floor in building 16, and we had a great vacation. Jackson, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye!